I'm going to do a quick review of the AeroPress Go. I bought it for camping and cruising because, well, the coffee on cruises is really horrible. Thinking that I'd get more of a French press rather than a drip coffee maker. So I'm going to use two filters. They say to only use one. I'm going to do two. And I'm going to fasten it, screw it onto the bottom of this. Okay, so that's in place. You can see the filters down there. Now this goes on top of the base. And then you can see my coffee grinds. It's pretty fine, certainly not coarse. So those go in. Now they say to, shake it, get them all level. Yep, they're in the bottom there. And then after I pour the water in, I want you to stir it for 10 seconds using this handy little tool. So let me do this. So, but the problem I have with this is, you can see it just immediately starts flowing through the bottom. So if you want to stir this for 10 seconds, like they say, I'm not even counting. So half of it has already dripped through. And that's actually why I use two filters, to kind of slow the dripping process. So if you get this, you might want to do the same thing. But, you know, it doesn't sit in the grinds for the entire time, only to be pressed out by the plunger. It's dripping every step of the way. But anyway, to complete it, you would just push this down and drive the water through the rest of the grinds. All right. So there it is.
Esta es la AeroPress, ya la he usado, ya está usada, por eso la caja se ve así. Está usada, pero quiero mostrarles que viene empacada. Acá de esta manera. La base para el filtro. ¿Sí? El ejemplo, el frasco, la tapa del vaso y un manual de instrucciones. Listo. Acá vamos a ver cómo viene empacada. Es el ejemplo. También trae un revolvedor para preparar el café, revuelve, y trae una cuchara medidora del café y un frasco termo bonito de aluminio, y además en la parte de abajo trae una recámara para los filtros que se utilizan para el café. ¿Sí? Los que vamos a poner acá. Aquí, acá. Y ya queda. Queda esto preparado. Vamos, necesitamos agua y ya se está lista para usar. Se deposita el café, llena, se baja y trae esta linda tapa para cargar nuestro café. Boom. Done.
So using the AeroPress is really easy. You just grab your little basket from here and one filter, put that in, and put it on the base here. And then you're just gonna put 1 scoop of coffee in there. Just to level it. And then you're gonna take your super hot water and put it up to the 1 line. Oh, you gotta put it over this thing first so you don't drip on the table. And then you're gonna mix it with this little mixing tool for 10 seconds. And you're gonna put the plunger in and slowly press down. So you get all the way to the bottom. And in here you have your concentrate, so you could drink it just like that as espresso. Or you can, we put it in a mug and usually just top it up with water and add our creamer. But you could also warm up some milk and just put your milk in here and then make yourself a latte. So, and then to clean this, you just take this off, hold it over the garbage can and push the plunger, and then it will pop out all the grounds and stuff. Easy peasy.
Tumbler rocks because the bottom is not flat.
You've also read it. Of course, it gets 3 times. Okay, you remember that? No way. Okay, what else have you read? You, for example, or have you had a Zodiac?
All right, bought the AeroPress a few weeks ago. It's turned out to be a pretty great coffee. Pretty great way to make coffee. I use a little hand grinder. There's coffee in the background. Woo woo. And yeah, packs down great.
Lo que están haciendo acá es una recreación, de alguna manera, del viaje